Hello, and today we will be continuing the opening to Tinkret Zoo, which is good, I'm guessing. So yeah, today, as you see, I'm putting flowers down now, but as I put these flowers down, I'm not going to talk like, hey, how's your day been? Whatever, it doesn't matter. I stream on Twitch, I'll be in the link down below. A bit of music in down below as well, it's just an instrumental and I thought it really suited it well. Yeah, and I quite liked it. Anyway, so I'm placing these flowers down. And of course this is a speed build, so it's going to be very quick. So I'm recording this voice after, of course, so I'm viewing the clip right now while talking. And this would take me like, how long did this take me? Like 53 minutes, so I can't really do it, like not speed build. That's why I do like, I wasn't going to do this on stream, because that'd be boring, and this is a YouTube do not stream thing. So yeah, anyway, flowers are almost done, don't worry, I just wanted to do them first, get them out of the way. And then here comes a more frustrating part after. And it was so frustrating to get the right one. You'll see in a sec. Anyway, yeah, I can't really do this in normal time because it'd be like a 15-minute video, and or if I did it 10 minutes of like 10 parts. Yeah, so, and yeah, so, almost onto the tricky part. Just a few more steps, and yeah. So we have got a lot done this video, quite a bit. And just for the opening, I'm not too sure if I will do another opening entrance video. I might do that in my own time because it's literally just a few flowers you need to add, but I forgot at the time. For this one I was just looking for a flower and found one, luckily. And now, not sure if I can remember, what did we do now? Yeah, we tried to work on a roof for that, because we just built a wall. You don't want that, just, you know, I wanted to have a nice tilted roof, but it just didn't work. Wouldn't look good. It would be hard. As you can see, I'm still doing it here. But later on, I just go into a flat roof and all that. And what I'm going to explain now is stuff later on, because it takes a while. So, stuff later on, we do the sign, we do more flowers just around it, finish the roof. And yeah, that's basically it. Not the quickest of builders, I will say that, but as you can see, I had a problem with the roof, with the kind of tilted bit, and that really tilted me. Sorry. And it wouldn't have looked well. But with a flat one, you can only see a touch of the roof, so I might change it another day, because I think I will. It just looks not right. Anyway. Yeah, we do the sign, which I might fix another time. But yeah, we do the flowers, the sign, yeah. And with the sign, I had a problem with one word, which you will notice. One certain word on it, but yeah. Yeah, so, yeah, as we're on the roof here. So to stuff, I know this is a bit longer video, but if it was 8 times, like as this speed, it would be 6 minutes, and I don't want to make it that. So I just kept it 4 times, same as last time, but I have to do speed build. I'm not doing them in real time, because I do real time on stream, and you check that below, I think I already said that. And yeah, anyway, I'll talk to you later in the next video. Bye!